Hello, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to be planting out some Patriot blueberries. Now, blueberries are a shrub, but the same can be applied for trees as well. Dig out some turf, bigger than the plant itself, bigger than the pot. Add some good organic matter. This is leaf mold and cow manure. I'm going to mix it all in. Plant these blueberries here, and I'm going to add some wood chips on top of it just to help keep the grass back, the weeds, until these blueberries get established. And if you want, you can let the grass grow in after. All right, so we're mixing it all in right now. You see this is pretty good soil, a little bit of clay in it, which is good to help hold the moisture. And one benefit of clay is it holds nutrients as well. Now what we're gonna do, I didn't grow these myself, is we have all these roots right here, almost pot bound. Just break them up a little bit. It'll make the plant send the roots out instead of just keep going around the square. It'll help it get established a lot quicker. Next, we're going to water it in. Nice, good, deep soak. And the reason you want to do, with most any plants, a nice, deep soaking of water is so that water goes down nice and deep, which will make the roots go down nice and deep as well. Now we're going to water this in nice and deep. So we watered this in nice and deep. Next, we're going to add some wood chips. Wood chips will help keep the weeds and grass at bay. Don't do a little volcano like you see in all these other people's houses, because going in close or doing that little volcano thing like they do on trees encourages the roots to go higher, possibly choking, in this case, the blueberry bush, but your trees and other shrubs as well. Always leave a little bit of space to help keep down any fungal problems with the rotting wood and your shrub. And this mulch is all from my town dump. It's free, it's pine, which is good for blueberries because they like acid soil. And if you know what it is, who doesn't like free things? And that should be pretty good. Well, everyone, I hope you give growing blueberries a try, or any other shrub. It's a very simple process. Just remember, prepare your soil, take out the turf, add some good organic matter, add some sort of moisture retention / weed suppression here in the form of wood chips. Don't volcano it. Leave a little space between the plant and the wood chips, and you're off to the races. Well, that's it, everyone. Until next time, bye-bye.